In 2013, researchers looked into how different emotions alter your sense of smell. Researchers discovered that after participants were exposed to anxiety-inducing imagery such as automobile accidents and war, neutral scents were uncomfortable and bad smells got much worse. Numerous studies comparing men's and women's memory capacities consistently show that males are more forgetful than women. This could be owing to the fact that men and women have different brain structures. Specifically, the hippocampus, the memory-related portion of the brain, starts to fall in volume faster in men than in women. Memory loss is, of course, an obvious indicator of Alzheimer's disease, but dementia can also present itself in your eyes. The locus coeruleus, a cluster of neurons in the brainstem responsible for pupillary responses, among other things, is affected by the condition, according to the researchers. As a result, those with cognitive impairment who are at risk of acquiring Alzheimer's have larger pupils when undertaking cognitive tasks. Naturally, newborn babies have a fraction of the blood that adults do. So, how much do they have to work with? According to Lando, the normal 5 to 8 pound newborn requires no more than 1 cup of blood. There are many different types of food allergies, but only a few are caused by insect bites. Some people who are bitten by the Lone Star tick acquire an unexpected aversion to red meat, which is a strange and developing tendency. Red meats such as beef, lamb, hog, and goat, which are technically categorized as red meats, can cause vomiting, cramping, difficulty breathing, and rashes in those with this allergy. It can cause a person to stop breathing completely in severe circumstances. The allergy may fade with time for some people, but it may be permanent for others.